Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing a simple get ready with me look for a girls night out. So I've already primed my face with the Benefit Pore Professional primer, and now I'm just taking my e.l.f. brow dip, and I am filling in my brow, just putting a little bit of color in where there are gaps in like hair follicles. I'm taking my Benefit brow spoolie and just combing those hairs up in the up direction, and then I'm using the other side of that, which is the actual brow product, and I'm again using that in the front of my brow just so that it isn't too dark. Next, I'm taking my MAC concealer, and it's the one that comes in a pot. I forgot what it's called, and I'm using a standard angle brush just to clean up that brow. Yes, repping that Pokemon. Next, I'm taking that e.l.f. Concealer brush, and I'm cleaning up that concealer. And with that same concealer, I am priming my eye just so that my colors look a little bit more pigmented. And I'm going to set that with my Mercier powder. Next, using the Morphe 3502 palette, I'm taking a brown color as well as a reddish brown color to work into that transition zone. I'm buffing out the concealer, making sure it blends well. Then using my e.l.f. crease brush, I'm going in with the deeper brown, and I'm putting that precisely in the crease as well as on the outer corner of my eyes. And then I'm going to take that soft Glam palette and use the color Noir to push black in those same areas I put that deep brown. Using that MAC brush, I'm just blending that all out so it doesn't look as sharp. And I'm going to cut that crease with the MAC concealer that I used to prime my eye. Using this Fix Plus and e.l.f. brush, I'm going to put this purple black MAC pigment on the parts that I cut the crease. Then using, again, that soft Glam palette, the color Noir, I'm taking an angled MAC brush just to deepen up the corners. I'm also taking that e.l.f. brush just to blend out so it isn't as harsh. I'm taking that red color over the top again just to create that deeper transition. And then using my Fenty concealer in the color 210, Fenty foundation, blah blah blah. I'm just going ahead and stipling in that with my Real Techniques brush, and I'm using my LA Girl Pro Conceal to conceal and highlight. And I'm just going to use my beauty blender to blend that all out. Next, I'm going to set the areas where I highlighted my face with the Mercier powder. Then I'm going to use the Morphe Brontour, just the contour side, to go ahead and contour the side of my face and my forehead. And then I'm going to go ahead and do my nose. I'm taking that Mercier powder and I'm going to clean up the contour. Then taking a Sephora brush, I'm going to use the bronzer side and just bronzing up the areas that I kind of contour and wipe away that excess powder. Then I'm using that Real Techniques brush just to throw some blush on, the Maybelie Fit in the color 60. And then I'm going to use that e.l.f. eyeliner to line my eyes and the NYX glitter to kind of spicing up that eye. Is spicing a word? I don't know. I'm putting on a lash and setting that eyeliner with that black Noir. I'm using that Worth the Hype by NYX to put mascara on my lower and upper lash. And I'm going back in with those Morphe colors that I use in my transition on my under eye. And then using that Amrezy highlighter to highlight my face. And now I'm using matte Cork to line my lips. And this is the Ellarie time Colourpop color Netta. I think that's what it's called. Yeah, I'm using that liquid lipstick on my lips. And then I'm setting my face with Fix Plus, my favorite. Lastly, I'm highlighting my nose, the inner corner of my eyes, as well as my brow bone. Thank you guys so much for watching this video, and I hope you enjoyed it. Make sure you like this video and subscribe to my channel. See you next time.